I have a large dog, and these are his 3 bowls. I have 2 large water bowls and a food bowl. Now, with the exception of this food bowl, these don't have any kind of rubber stoppers on them. And I've actually found these out in the yard because he pushes them around as he uses them. So, let me show you an easy way to stop that. First step is to thoroughly clean off the bottom of your bowl here. You want to make sure you get any kind of residue or oil that might be on there from the factory completely off. So make sure you use soap and water to scrub that really well. Then grab a hot glue gun, and what you want to do is do little 3 to 4 inch little strips around the bottom of your bowl. You can make them thin, you can make them thick, that's up to you. Just remember to keep them a little bit separated, a little gap in between each of these. So if by chance any of them start to fall off, they don't pull the others off. Then just continue this around until you get all the way around. Also, keep in mind that these little strips do not have to be perfect. As long as they flow along the bottom edge of your bowl, that'll work. Now let's take a look at this example. This right here is the other bowl, which I put some hot glue on about 2 years ago. It's lasted about that long. But if you'll notice here, see that strip right there is a little bit loose. There's another one right there, it's a little bit loose. That's why we don't connect them all together into one big round circle, because if one comes loose, it could knock some of these others off. And my other warning is if you don't clean off the bottom of the bowl, your hot glue will fall off pretty quickly, and that's what happened there. And of course, give plenty of time for your hot glue to fully dry. And then we can flip it over, give it a little test. Look at that. That bowl is not moving anywhere. Perfect.